everybody, welcome to the studio. So today I'm going to use just craft paints, blacks and whites. I'm going to puddle them like I would do if I was going to do a balloon kiss. And I'm just going to do black and white craft paints with my Floetrol mix. After I stack them, I'm just going to tilt them and see if I can keep those blacks and whites together without mixing and making too much gray. So I don't know how that will work, but let's try it. All right, so just to share with you, I'm using titanium white in the Saks of True Flow brand acrylic, and I'm using the Mars Black in the Saks True Flow brand acrylic. You'll see my flow mix recipe at the end of this segment on YouTube, so please look at that and like and subscribe. That way I can get to reach more and more people here on YouTube. Alright, so I have my paints mixed up. They're mixed up a little thick, so I have them mixed so that when I pour my paints, I can leave a trail that disappears within 1 second or maybe 2 seconds at the most. It is almost impossible to show you that on camera because this is black and white. Usually you can see that on another color. You try it on the white. No, it's going to be hard for you to see that. So anyway, so I'm going to get started. So like I said, this is a mound painting, meaning I'm going to make mounds of these colors. Today just using black and white. Let's see how this is going to move. It may not move very well because we do not have anything on our canvas to help things slide, but that's okay. I think I just want to see what it does. Alright, so I see that my camera cut out before I finished my tilt. So I promise you that my very next video will be the same exact painting style, and you'll get to watch the tilt all the way through. But didn't this turn out wonderful?